Have you ever felt like you're dragging yourself through a career that doesn't feel yours? You know that voice that says, I should be a doctor, I should be an engineer, I should take over the family business. Well, what if I tell you? You don't have to live a should life. You can live a want life. And that begins with one simple idea: choose easy. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You know, when I was younger, everyone around me had a clear plan for my life, except me. Some said, do an MBA. Some said, go for a stable job. But deep inside, what came easy to me, what felt natural, was being creative. I loved colors, spaces, art, and people. That was easy. So instead of forcing myself into something that looked right, I followed what felt right. And guess what? That one easy choice led me to a life that's been exciting, fulfilling, and uniquely mine. Of course, it wasn't easy in the beginning, but because it came naturally, I could go through the tough times with joy, not agony. See, choosing easy doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you are being authentic. When you choose something that's easy for your heart, you work harder, smile more, and shine brighter. But when you choose something that's expected, you end up carrying someone else's dream, not yours. So, here are 3 quick tips to live the choose easy philosophy. 1. Listen to your joy. What lights you up without effort? That's your clue. Tip number 2. Stop seeking approval. The world adjusts when you start living your truth. And 3. Flow. Don't force. What flows easily is often what you are meant to do. So, next time someone asks you what you want to do in life, don't think about what's impressive. Think about what's effortless. Because when you choose easy, success becomes natural. Tell me, what's that one thing that comes easy to you? Yes, if you're still figuring it out, that's okay too. Just promise yourself, you will never choose pain when passion feels easier. And yes, if you like this, do share it with someone you care for. And till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.